So in this video, I'll show you how to edit the widgets on the PlayStation 5. So for you to access this feature, you have to ensure that you have the latest update installed on your console, or rather on your PlayStation 5. So I have a video on how to update your console, and I'll link it down in the description below. So once you have updated the console, you can go to the PlayStation home screen and navigate to the welcome option. And from here, you'll see all the widgets that are currently available on your PlayStation. So these are the widgets that are available. So from here, you can now customize these widgets to suit your needs. So you can add the widgets, you can remove the widgets, you can resize the widgets if you'd like. And also, you can change the widget presets if you'd prefer. So if you want to edit these widgets, simply press in the right R3 button on your controller, which is the right analog stick. So press in the right analog stick, and this will take you to the edit widgets options. Now from here, you can add or remove widgets. So for instance, if you want to remove this particular widget, simply highlight on it and then press the X button on your controller, and that widget will be removed. So you can do the same with all the widgets that you don't use. So select them, or rather highlight them, and then press the remove button, and that will remove those particular widgets. So now if you want to add them back, you can scroll down and find the widgets that are currently removed or disabled, then find the one that you like to add back, and then highlight on it and select the X button, and this will add that particular widget. So repeat the same for the other widgets that you'd like to add back, and once done, all those widgets will be added back. Now, additionally, you can also move these widgets to suit your preferences. So if you want to remove this particular widget, or rather to rearrange this particular widget, so highlight on it and press the box button on your controller. Now from here, you can use the left analog stick and move the widget to any place you'd like. So for instance, if I want it to be the last one, you can move to that position and then press the X button on your controller to confirm the changes. So as you can see now, my widget has been moved to the desired location. So you can do the same with all other widgets. So for instance, if you want this widget to move with this widget, highlight on it, press the box button on your controller, and then move the widget to the location you desire. So that's basically it on how to move these widgets, or rather to rearrange the widgets on the PlayStation 5. Now you can resize these widgets to suit your needs. So for instance, if you want to have a bigger widget or a smaller widget, you can simply do that from here. So for instance, if I want to resize this widget, as you can see, it's a bigger widget. So if you want to resize it, just highlight on it and then press either R1 button to increase the widget or the L1 button to reduce the widget. So L1 rather, to reduce the widget size. As you can see, it has been reduced, or R1 button to increase the widget size. So you can do the same with all the other widgets. So for instance, if I want to increase the size of this widget, simply highlight on it, press the R1 button, and it will increase the size of that particular widget, or press the L1 button and it will reduce the size of that particular widget. So do the same for the other widgets, and that's basically how to resize these widgets. Also, you can choose the widget layout from the PS5 for the PS5 rather. So if you want to change the widget layout, simply go back and access the widgets, then use the left analog stick and go to the change preset option at the top right side of the screen. So select it, and then you'll see a couple of presets that are available. So you can have the highlights layout, or you can have the social layout, or you can have the solos layout. So if you want to choose the one that you desire rather. If you want the highlights, select on it, and that will change that particular widget. Additionally, if you want to change it to another widget, or rather layout, you can choose either social or the solo one. So choose the one that you desire. And also, if you want to have these widgets to be bigger, so it can be easier for you to navigate, you can do this in two ways. So the first way is accessing the change preset option. So on your widgets home screen, or rather on the widgets, go to the change preset setting, on the top right corner, select that, and then scroll down and find the large layout option. So to enable it, simply highlight on it and select it, and you'll see your widgets have increased in size, so it can be easier for you to navigate or to see what the widgets are all about. So the second method is by simply navigating to the settings within the widgets section, then choose that, and then you'll see the option large layout option. So highlight on it and then press it to enable it, or to enable it, and then press it to disable it. So if you disable it, the widget will go back to the default size, and if you enable it, the widget will be increased and it can be easier for you to navigate. So that's basically it on how to edit widgets on your PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.